In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot in Microsoft Teams. Disabling Copilot can help streamline your workspace and enhance your personal preferences regarding AI features. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. If you look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen, you'll see various applications, things like Chat, Teams, and Calendar. This sidebar houses the tools you need for your daily communication and collaboration. Once you have Teams open, locate the Copilot icon. It should be among the apps listed in your sidebar. To remove it from your main view, you'll need to do a simple action. Right-click on the Copilot icon. This will bring up a context menu where you can make adjustments to how this feature appears in your sidebar. Now, go ahead and select the option that says Unpin. By doing this, you're effectively removing the Copilot icon from your primary navigation. But don't worry, it won't disappear entirely. You can still find Copilot under the View More Apps menu, which you access using the three dots icon. With this step, you can declutter your sidebar while keeping Copilot accessible if you need it later. Now, if you're an organizer and wish to disable Copilot for a specific meeting, it's a bit more involved but still straightforward. First, you need to open the meeting options. You can do this either before the meeting starts or during the meeting itself. To find these options, click on More, and that's the three dots, the same you've used before, and then select Meeting Options. Once you're in the Meeting Options section, look for a drop-down labeled Allow Copilot. This is where you can set your preferences. Go ahead and set it to Off. It's important to note that by turning off Copilot for that meeting, you will also disable the ability to start a transcript or record the meeting. So if those features are essential to you or your team, make sure you consider how this change might affect your meeting dynamics. Finally, if you want to disable Copilot across all Microsoft 365 applications, it's a simple process within your privacy settings in Teams. To start, navigate back to Teams, then go to Settings. From there, select the Privacy tab. This is where you can manage various privacy-related features, including connected experiences. Within the privacy settings, look for an option that says Manage Connected Experiences. Once you find that, you'll see a checkbox that reads Turn on experiences that analyze your content. To disable AI features that help analyze your work and provide insights, uncheck this box. This will ensure that Copilot and similar AI-driven functionalities won't analyze your content in Microsoft 365 apps. If you found this information useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope this guide helps you customize your team's experience to better fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and until next